Want to know the recipe for a successful AI product? There are only 3 ingredients. Deep AI expertise, duh. But I'm not talking about knowing what an MD file is, repeating the latest AI news, or always knowing what's happening in the AI world. I'm talking about actual expertise, actual experience building complicated AI products that are then integrated into even more sophisticated systems. With that, you also need deep software engineering expertise, because without it, you can't really create serious value with AI. You also need a history of failures. Like, you need to know how and why your perfectly stitched together AI solution or the implementation didn't work or didn't perform the way you expected. You had to stay late at the office or call your engineers in the middle of the night because something that worked 2 hours ago just suddenly stopped working, or because a new group of test users on the client side asked your AI questions that completely broke your AI. Once you live through those experiences, you learn how to create value out of chaos, and that's invaluable. Second thing is deep domain expertise. I still remember something a prospect said after we showed him the demo recently. You guys are like a breath of fresh air. We get bombarded with AI offers every day, but they're all generic. You clearly understand our industry so deeply that I immediately see value in what you're showing. This is crucial. Without this piece, like whatever you build with AI won't have much merit. Think about the industry like you truly understand. Maybe you've worked in it, or maybe even better, you've worked with enough companies in that industry that you possibly understand it even better than many people inside it. You've seen the same problems from different perspectives. Distill those perspectives down to the 3 most critical problems that those companies face. Then build a prototype to test your assumptions. Then you'll have it. The third thing is interface mastery. Like, one of the biggest reasons actually why internal AI implementations fail in the enterprise is because the end user isn't really the end user. Most tools like Tableau or Power BI paired with Claude still produce heavy IT-centric interfaces that people in HR, sales, and marketing operations simply don't want to use. They open a giant table full of data, and even if the answer they're looking for is somewhere on that screen, our brains are just wired to avoid unnecessary effort, especially in today's world, and especially today when attention is constantly under attack. People naturally check out. You solve this by becoming obsessed with user interfaces. Think Apple. Like, if your solution looks more complicated than something Apple would design, you're probably on the wrong path. If your prospect or clients look at your product and say, wow, this is beautiful, or like, wow, this feels like years ahead of what we have today, you are probably on the right one. Have you noticed the irony of this video? I promised you 3 ingredients for building a successful AI product, but AI is actually the supplement, not the main course. These principles apply to any great product. Whether it uses AI or not, we know this approach works because of the amount of interest we're getting from various companies for our AI native enterprise back office. We applied all 3 principles while building it, and it took us 5 years of building products, AI products, on top of 19 years of consulting to distill thousands of experiences and data points into a simple product that solves very complicated problems for sophisticated enterprises. So yeah, good luck building your next Big thing.